So we can see that due to this transaction, our assets that have been increased, our assets on the other side have been decreased. So overall, we have no effect on our capital due to this transaction. This is the end of this part. There were 5 transactions. We had to identify the source document, book of prime entry, and the effect on owner's capital due to these transactions. It was a 15-mark question, and one of the most favorite parts, a favorite style that examiner typically sets as a contest for the candidates in the examinations. Well, moving on towards the next part, we have completed all the working relevant to that part. All we are going to do is to solve it. Let me just first erase the board so that we have sufficient space to solve it. It says, prepare the account of Putel for the month of April 2015. On the next page of your worksheet, you'll be finding this part. It says, prepare the account of Putel, right, for the month of April 2015. Balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st May. Okay? Simple as it could be. We have all the entries relevant to it. आप देख सकते हैं that in the start of the question, Putel had a brought forward balance on 1st of April. And what was the balance? The balance was 3,000. It was 3,000, right? Good enough. Now we have all the entries that are being that have been passed. So हम posting कर लेते हैं in Putel's account. Starting with the first entry, Putel over here on 5th. On 5th April, Putel was debited because of bank 1470, because of discount received $30. Then on April 8th, Putel was credited 640 because of purchases. Then the April 19th transaction was relevant to the wages. Then on April 23rd, Putel debited 160 because of return outwards, and the date was April 23rd, right? And that's it. These were the transactions that were relevant to Putel's account. Now, what if we calculate the total? That is 3640 on the higher side. We'll be placing this total 3640 of the higher side on the both sides, and we'll be getting a CD balance. And the CD balance for this particular T account would be 1980 after we have deducted the total of the lower side from the higher side. So the brought forward on 1st May is 1980 for Putel's account. मतलब जब हम next time Putel का account बनाएंगे तो brought forward instead of 3,000 for 1st April would be 1980, $1,980 for 1st April. I hope it's clear to everyone. This is the end of this question. Well, along with these questions, I have posted a worksheet of a couple of questions which are on similar pattern of the questions that we have solved today. I urge you all to please solve those questions and turn them back to me as soon as possible. In next 5 minutes, I'll be taking your queries relevant to today's lesson. Thank you very much.